Unlock Your Future, a step-by-step guide for how to apply for a work permit in Canada. Applying for a work permit in Canada involves several steps. Below is a comprehensive guide to help you navigate the process. 1. Determine your eligibility. Job offer. Most applicants need a job offer from a Canadian employer before applying. Labor Market Impact Assessment or LMIA. In many cases, your employer will need to obtain an LMIA, which proves that no Canadian citizen or permanent resident is available to fill the job. Exceptions. Some categories of work permits do not require an LMIA, such as intra-company transfers or those under international agreements like NAFTA. Tools. Use the Government of Canada's eligibility tool to determine if you need an LMIA and to verify other requirements. 2. Prepare the required documents. Valid passport. Ensure your passport is valid for the duration of your stay. Job offer. A written job offer or contract from your employer. LMIA. A copy of the LMIA or the LMIA exemption number if applicable. Proof of qualifications. Certificates, degrees, or other qualifications related to your job. Proof of work experience. Letters from previous employers that detail your work experience. Biometrics. Depending on your country of residence, you may need to provide biometrics, fingerprints, and photo. Medical exam. Some applicants may require a medical exam, especially working in health services or with vulnerable populations. The specific documents required may vary depending on your country of origin and the type of work permit you are applying for. Always check the latest requirements on the IRCC website. And before we proceed, please do share, like, and subscribe to our channel. 3. Complete the application form. Form IMM 1295. This is the primary application form for a work permit. You must complete this form online or download it for submission. Additional forms. Depending on your situation, you may need to complete additional forms, such as the IMM 5707 Family Information or IMM 5645 Statutory Declaration of Common Law Union. Use the document checklist provided by IRCC to ensure you include everything required. Or pay the application fees. Processing fee. The standard work permit processing fee is $155 CAD. Open work permits holder fee. If applying for an open work permit, there is an additional fee of $100 CAD. Biometrics fee. If applicable, the biometrics fee is $85 CAD per person. Payment. Fees can be paid online using a credit or debit card. Ensure you keep the receipt as proof of payment. 5. Submit your application. Online submission. The fastest and most efficient way to submit your application is online via the IRCC website. Paper submission. If you cannot apply online, you may submit a paper application by mail to the appropriate Visa Application Center or VAC. Note, online submissions generally have quicker processing times. Ensure all documents are scanned and uploaded correctly if applying online. 6. Provide biometrics if required. After submitting your application, you may receive a request to provide biometrics. You will need to visit a designated biometrics collection center to complete this step. Tip: book an appointment as soon as possible to avoid delays. 7. Wait for processing. Processing time. Work permit processing times vary depending on your country of residence and the type of permit. Application status. You can check the status of your application online using your account on the IRCC portal. Note, during this time, you may be asked to provide additional information or attend an interview. 8. Receive the decision. Well, if your application is approved, you'll receive a port of entry or POE letter of introduction. If you are applying from outside Canada, you will also receive a visa if required to enter Canada. Denial. If your application is denied, you'll be informed of the reasons for the decision. 9. Travel to Canada. Present your documents. Upon arrival in Canada, present your passport, POE letter of introduction, and any other relevant documents to the Border Services Officer. Receive work permit. If everything is in order, the officer will issue your work permit. 10. Start working in Canada. Once you have your work permit, you can begin working in Canada according to the conditions listed on the permit. Important tips: renewal. If you need to extend your stay or renew your work permit, start the process well before your current permit expires. Compliance: make sure you comply with all the conditions of your work permit. including restrictions on the type of work and employer. For the most accurate and up-to-date information, always refer to the official IRCC website. That's a wrap on our journey to securing a work permit in Canada. Remember, every great adventure begins with a single step, and today, you have taken a powerful one toward your dreams. Keep your spirit high and your determination unwavering, because magic happens when you believe in yourself and take action. As you embark on this new chapter, always remember the words of Rumi: let yourself be silently drawn by the strange pull of what you really love. It will not lead you astray. Your dreams are your guiding star, and Canada awaits you with open arms. Thank you for joining me on this journey. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more inspiring content. Together, we will continue to turn the ordinary into the extraordinary. Until next time, stay magical.